Okay, so this is November 2016 non-calculated paper for intermediate tier, and we're going to look at question 6. Question 6 is the OCW question, which means in this space here we've got to make sure we write down all our workings out and any formula that we use. To start off with, I can see on the diagram 9 centimetres and 15 centimetres. 15 centimetres goes all the way across. 9 centimetres goes all the way across the base. It tells me here that the area of the rectangle is 45, so this rectangle here. I know that to find the area of a rectangle, the formula would be length times width. So in this case, 9 times the missing width must have made 45 centimetres squared. The opposite of multiply by 9 is divide by 9, so the width would be 45 divided by 9, which is 5 centimetres. So this is the width of the rectangle. I'm going to put it on my picture, but it's also connected to the right angle triangle, which in the question I'm asked to find the area of. So that 5 centimetres is useful because it's in the triangle as well as in the rectangle. Now, for the area of a triangle, the formula is a little bit different to the rectangle. We normally remember it as half times base times height. So on my right angle triangle, I have this side here that I'd normally think of as the height, but what I don't have is the length of the base. So the 5 centimetres will be very helpful as soon as I've got the length of the base. E to C equals 15, and I can see that E to D would be the same as A to B. I must remember to put centimetres and centimetres squared on all my working out, as this is part of my accuracy, and if I forget to put the units on my workings out to my answers, I'm very likely to lose one of those extra marks. Now that I've said EC is 15 and ED is only 9, my calculation for DC, the bit I'm interested in here, will just be the long side 15, take away the 9, which will be 6 centimetres. I'm going to put that on the picture as well. So I've got my information on my picture. I can see my base and my height. I've got every formula that I've mentioned, every calculation written down. I've got one step left. So the area of the triangle equals half times base times height. So 5 sixes are 30, half times 30 gives me 15, and I must remember to put centimetres squared on the end as well. Okay.